In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for an Aldi job online. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device and go to the official Aldi recruitment website. It's important to use the official careers page so you're looking at legitimate openings and the most up-to-date job information. Once the page loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. Most recruitment websites are designed to help you quickly browse opportunities, but moving carefully at the beginning can save time later. Next, filter the current openings based on the type of work you're interested in. You'll usually see categories such as store staff, warehouse roles, or corporate positions. Choose the department that best matches your experience, schedule, or career goals. This filtering step is useful because it narrows the list and helps you focus only on the jobs that are relevant to you. If you're open to more than one type of role, you can explore each section separately and compare the options before moving forward. After that, review the details for the specific role that interests you. Pay close attention to the prerequisites listed in the posting, since these explain what qualifications, experience, or physical requirements may be expected. Also look carefully at the hours being offered. Some roles may be part-time, full-time, overnight, or based on rotating schedules, so it's a good idea to confirm that the shift pattern works for you before applying. You should also check the location information to make sure the position is realistically accessible for your commute or preferred work area. Reading this section thoroughly can help you avoid applying for a job that isn't the right fit. Once you've found a role that matches your needs, click Apply Now to open the 2026 Digital Application Portal. This is where the formal application process begins. Before continuing, make sure you're ready with accurate information and enough uninterrupted time to complete the form properly. Taking a few extra moments to review what you've selected can help reduce mistakes and make the process smoother. That's the full process for getting started with an Aldi job application online. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be able to search efficiently, understand the role clearly, and move into the application portal with confidence.